I was on more common from 2 TV Plus. So I was young, men or cassette, legal wife of Fogusua, or Muddin Comopan, and community away train, and say, Omodia, and what's running at the Chiano. Omontes a Sebu, Dogobi in my bed. No more Kakusia and say, they be a Mecassa Mimanumudia, a allegedly, but Omonumudia. Omon some more can say, a Yodo Bruni Presera, any cum, Lumba, which is any more cana, any more can, Zumi say, or more a year and in Asua now say, or more evidence, Google more phone, so we tell some more can, or my can sempa, Busiani, any easy. Now, only send some Kuya Muno, a year, Mamma Bruebia, any when in pa and fear bear say, a year at your corner, aircon war honey a chili, Mammy Abrue Ubina. Na ofri daddy Lumba ma memo aside another daddy Lumba na namo busiam nti abrewa no daddy Lumba na napa na ababo nti abeka nsem bi se wono ene wo kyane na de kye kopem se nyankopon totrobo nsu nyankopon no obeba wo se o makwan ma obabi emfra bonten ma me bata daddy Lumba yele ma me Akosua Serwaa ho waka nsem bebre pese o ka me kwadi nkyiremu no ebesisi ye
kamenka
Because Ubehu Papa Penny 60-something years, no cover young girl 20. Hey, a den emoji.
Oh, maybe na daddy akokwe de ho adadi kwe. Ebi we bi na madadi kwe ya.
Diego tey basa.
De bi we bi na daddy akokwe adadi kwe.
Me kan say me wo Ghana na me friend Papa Penny ni bi. Na menene ko yini e ko akoda on ma de no ma me yema no.
Oh yeah,
ma me ro me ho a na me gina na me sheki me to sa na wote akonwom no wo
no hell
anza na betene no we yala
pejampo no wa bedimpo na ha ho
wa bu ni koma abuse eto
ni kwati ni koma abuse eto no de dia be fa na se me ho me ho nyana me
so obi wa anya se awu obi wa anya se awu obi wa ye concentration
na di oprega na no bada na
prege
that's it when obi wa ha ye concentration
epeja ni muka krase epeja ni muka krebi no da no bisi me do fiem ti se ye obi kun
obi wa ya concentration
obi say mo fa no kwa practical
no na obi dimi ni am famre
say na adwene obi wa na adwene free so a na abasa we say na adwene timi
ko be papa penny for no mo from 65 one ho akọ do mo timi ye kugo
o ma adwene
no expect as so no
now wata enyo but why show ya
sister
menye sa mistake ni se papa mpenfo nyina wo nyina na ago
o me we de me ma fene pepeni mu ba ko ndra mi sia no
meti akokura bi ma wa ye onye do a menye
sa
yeah
na do say yes
you are no free papa no you are no free papa no
oh we say papa Mr. Simon oh baby 65 to
na do kra pa etwe da bo
Michelle on the first day, many papa ko wura demo. You could drive in bed and bed with 2 promo.
Wada.
Oh, 2 promo.
You Tita winning the another papa no here.
Any ye be as so the member kwa dentia.
Na okra yo
any a ye be as so the member kwa
omuno mutia emrante mutia ndi emfa ho Yes,
can't deny it. Yeah, no, they are almost not near per woman.
We dey scared about me too.
Emma, kasa wan suro ma wu.
Shiranga. So back as we
obi dey say e ko emu dey
ni offer capital. Kay nsuro ma kay ye da fi gina live we na oba ba se ku eleged do.
Captain.
The captain.
The
ɛyɛ
captain.
na
Eh, me
ɔfa the
say the
captain
papa mama nyama me ko
ɛyɛ na te
makono no me
wansoro
pie
ma
makono no monsa. Ama ni ma
Hello.
gyina so minim
Yeah,
so.
the yo.
oyɛ
Ai,
ya
me bet
tie
me bet obesi mbeti
ɔfa
bia dia ma me
captain
ho atɔ me.
wosi
Me
yɛ
ko
nsoro
hu me
ma
ho
yɛ
ya
ni
baba
nkyɛn
pe na me
na
fi
na
hwe
ọpẹ
wie ma
kakra
wo
bi
dwan
ihu
kro
ni
mo.
Say.
ehu ni kurom.
Afei
Ọmọ
kɔ
saa
mo
nso
papa
ohu
bi
bi
nya
a na ohu
stroke.
ọmụ turum.
Hwɛ wo de
I
sɛ
Obi
saw
menya
Musa
obi
stroke
Nidi
o.
mo
obi
so
obi
yo
bi sama
mupe.
sama na mama ntie no mpacho.
Ɛsɛ wo sɛ ɛka ne sɛ papa yɛpɛ papafoɔ mpanimfoɔ ne nkɔmmɔ
Na omo
pɛpɛ
mate
nkɔla.
bogo bogo ya mo de yere.
Yɛdeɛ bi na ame a me ne wo mmienu gyina live yi
Yeah,
amfa so
jine
a
jine
wobɛku
no.
papa no.
Yeah, jine jine no.
Ɛyɛ na
Patrol.
ɔpɛgɛ wɔkuku
Branche
papa na yɛgyina
o
yɛka
kama
Wait,
kama
papa
say
kama
no.
ye
mfoni.
nim.
Eh,
Ejina
de me
we.
be da me o to ga de chi
Patrol.
onse an okoye adwuma bi nti
Ayi
no akọ.
mfoni a
Ote
ɛwɔ
da.
sisi a no.
Ai.
Mfoni a ɛda sisi maame bempɔm a wɔne abrewa bɛn ne
O
so.
de
Ẹkọ
ye
na
ka se ma fe na so
Oni
na
oba
penny.
busiani.
ẹkọ na
Akọ na ba
baapani
pani.
Papa
A
ẹyẹ
ɛyɛ
wɔkɔ
paako
paakofo.
so.
anyɛ nsu takoɔ.
Daabi sɛ ɔne papa fiefoɔ no.
Daabi ɔmo papa nyɛ
Ọmụ
paako.
maame.
Ɔmo
Omo
maame
ma
Ɔmo
mi
na
maame
O
fie
ma
fiefoɔ
me
fo.
yɛ
side.
paako so.
Ẹkọ na baapani a
Ɔmo
ọyẹ paako so.
ɔmo papa nkorɔfoɔ yɛ ɛyi amango nsuta amango ase.
ɔyɛ paakofo sorry.
Ba ebi soso firi gyama ase agona gyama ase.
When
Nyama
let me have
yaka.
say enkomo yi.
Daabi
Eh
sɛ
nwanwa.
mibisa
Ya bre
Me be
ayi o, ya bre oprega nkomo.
Ngabro
ye kwa
prega o
chidi afi
yesra
na
ho.
so be ya
radio
ba
hu
atiapo.
from from ase ha wahu aguma ne so na ɔde
Dede dede wa me ho asate.
Peter okura papa wanyɛ ne ho adwuma yi o.
Oh, e ba mi yi ni papa first e ka mi ko mi yi ni papa.
Enye yie
Ɔyɛ saa na de
na
ato
wɔsɛ
w'anum sa
ɔpɛ
na ɔde sika bi abɛma wo.
ice cubes bi na wɔde fefa ho ma no.
O yes krenye yo.
The
ɔno
gate
menya
Enkomo
ano
se
stroke
na
o
e
dia
kan
guda
say
o.
Me
enimre
me
na
eba
ano.
Ghana na
Anadwena me bai.
Ghana game bi na. Me de I for 12 eba e na me de bre no.
Mhm.
Me de ofrem ka dem se o tika mu na yi ya ne ya na me se aboa. That's how be jere kwa. Ya no.
Hey, iPhone 12 ntu ko tu obi bache.
Hey,
ɛyɛ
she
mmarima
bogus na
na
so me
yi tutu.
enye so wo kon odi agro.
Nyɛ
Yeah, me
si na
wo
ɔmo
Ghana
de
no.
saa
Titi
Ghana
no
fo.
Ah,
land for
so
bogus ni.
me ba me nya
Hmm.
bi me ti me tra me ba wanya me ba me tra sa me nya bi ni. Me nya me
Hey,
duru so di awboa.
boy
But
yeah,
me
no
there
ire
some
hu
give
na
say
mane.
ekrom ade. Me for ba ram them that because for the sake of my bush safety. Omo ya
Yeah.
kwase afọ.
Yɛanyɛ
So
no
on
na
na
true.
twempna obedo too much. E kina bi wo yere ba obebu ntu afum.
Yɛanyɛ
Sa de
Yeah.
ne de.
true.
Me nya bi da.
Yeah, no there America
Ba
there
me
so
nya
it's
me
The
duru
good
different.
papa
Ghana
ke
dia
na
anye
nya mi on
oboa.
ho na
Na
ne
Ghana
ni.
hɔ no nso a wɔyere ne te wɔn nso na akɔbɔ saa abra no.
Nwanwa.
Okay.
Ɛda
Na
wɔ
se Ghana
ɛda
de.
Mema.
Ya.
wɔ America.
Into I say.
wote wasa
Ma
wo
de
sɛ
no ma
nua
de
no
din komo wa
awa de
ho.
wo so yɛbɛda ne ate ase
Yeah, mema.
Bra ma w'ani na hɔ ate. Na ɛnna
Oh.
yɛka bi ho asɛm a
Ja
yɛnka
me
nwie
my
yɛ.
Erica. Na say me yere. Any that's the
Wɔmfa ne
fact.
aka da
bɛyɛ ne
koro
yere
saa
a
na
ɛnna
papa no
meka
na
yi.
ɔyɛ
Obi
Atwa
wɔ
bi
hɔ
wɔ
a
nso a
atwa bi
wodi
a
a na
w'asɛm
papa
papa
nsa
ayɛ
na
nkɔ
na
kan
o.
ɔyɛ
o.
Atwa bi wɔ a wodi
Nti
a na
ɛni
ɔkɔpa.
ehu ɛnyɛ kan. Ebi
But
mo ate
one thing
kaadekaade.
said the good mema ne bi wo ho no so aho. Do on be fa omo eyire mo chi but omo bu omo yire mo pa.
Ya
Bisa
ya
Na
Yeah,
wonim
na
na
me
woka
friend
tie
n'akyi.
tie
That's
eh
my
the
na
grace na
question.
mention.
me friend man bi WhatsApp won.
no de
Ohyia me
man
a
bi de
o se mo
wafrɛndi
ka
bi
kire
paa
me
o
say I'm me dey go for me hu say wu wo yire pa ma twe me ho.
No, me de
Me na me de no no. Me me fe me sis na me
me
wo
fa
me
me
young boy ho
yinsi.
no ma na me ne wo ho no ma na me pen pa na just empedifo na se woni ye koyi
na nso so
sika
didi
ntino.
bi low key.
Mhm.
Ekɔ.
Me fa me
Papa,
yinsi.
wo papa
Me
ne ka kyerɛ me straight sɛ ɔpɛ m'asɛm paa ba menim
me
na medi nkɔmmɔ na yɛrɛ te a ada na
get
yɛrɛ
no.
bɛte ne no ano
No
ma
try
Saa
mpanya
na
mpo
na
say
ada na yɛrɛ
papa yi
soso te yɛ
question
ɔba
saa
me
na
fie
ɔteɛ.
no ano no
no
Papa
try
wei
so
saa na
ube
ɔteɛ.
go overboard. E o me yere ho dia oboa. Ene. Na say nipa be mi ensa kwa mafuna go am. Me family ni eni agro. Me ne o kasa na ofre me kato.
Ana me
That's me.
madam fu bi oni sikani bi o Ghana pay date. Sikani pa papa ne ka chense me pe wasem de o pe bi me ya mo but enya de me no be wo. Me mpe confusion wo me fie
mepɛ
ene
sɛ me
dem
yɛrɛ
dem.
so bɛte
Ebi yɛ
Ghana
mepɛ
saa.
for
sɛ
ma.
wobɛdi
Me
me ho
say
nkɔmmɔ akyerɛ obi
Obi
akɔ
o
asɛm na me
fine
friend
but say
mpanyinfoɔ no
o
mu
ba
wɔ
be
sika wɔn
wa
agye
man no
gyidie no
enya baby mamas no.
upe bia
O ka
mi ko
kyem.
twa
Na yi
na
sɛ
me
papa
wona
wei ɔbɔ ne
be isu
raw.
anyim. Una msenya
Ɔka sɛ
bayale.
mempɛ sɛ me ne wobɛwɔ no ɔkɔ ne raw. Bɛhu sɛ
And
ne
de
yere te hɔ a
minimi
na
njira
akɔyɛ sɛ
ho.
yareɛ de abɛgu ne so. Nsenhunu.
Some papa for it.
Yadro, woman, no madra won't sing. And
Na
also,
de papa fo mo
Debi
mo
o na
ade
madam for no so
kwa ku
debi o
don so head and
madam for
adu
no
na
so
papa bia
no
na za na ko
enya
second
ade
mo
a
be daddy.
debi o madam
and also, no say life.
Emma,
debi
No
Emma,
debi
when you mistake her,
o
Master,
ma
you
men
say,
kan say madam for no so nya obi opeso nya obi kunu wo ejo no oje de obeje obi eje de
Enu
obenye fi
wa
ne
no no.
kunu yeah onu so
Obi
no
kun de
person obi
okwo
nya
ho
obi
enko
kunu be
tena wo
wo
so ne ko wu. Na
yeah
woni na de opese
oboa
wo
no ma
baji bia je
ene
na
oye
ko.
adwuma o Bank of Ghana or car waton apartment obona brabo onu so
yeah.
no person nya obi kunu be wo
Afran
A very
o
good
di do beji
idea.
no
yeah
ko di ya nya ne san ka be wi
enye
wi wi.
obebia
Because
no person nya
the
obi kunu
moment
wo
obi kunu no be wo pa mane ma oska dan ma ya kwala ni nti na ode ma o. Un
yeah
benefit if you free
on
home. The man
benefit hwe
yes,
kai
or no oba. But I want na ngono ye properties ma wa just say
eye
who
wa wo
do
dia
wa wo dia. It
enti
depends
na
on
de
papa
bia o
kwata ye
priga
bi
ye
kunu
didi
ho.
na temu ha na nye
So
bibia
wajimi
enti
ono
o
anya smart.
kwasiasem no di ye
Side check kasa wa
Oh,
ho. Se
that's
be ma ne te ase ana oni be ma ne te no. Na prema ne nye bibi ma.
Hmm.
Because me am te ase. There be ameka.
If I say Monday, you're more cocoa to me.
There be Wednesday no
Ndabi
ho.
o
Monday
Wednesday
omo ko ahemfie.
Or I had the car 30 minutes now, about
Me
12.
krom ha de
So
ene.
about 30 minutes na bottle.
And then no back him fee.
Petrol.
Mm. Me de ade achi me. Aka
More
30
US
minutes
more
na
ever.
bottle stand up 6.
Me, Anna,
Aye.
me, wo Indiana.
Eh, kwa wa papa.
Indiana.
Indianapolis, you near Ohio,
Oh,
Ohio,
how you
and
side?
Ah.
Anna Chicago,
I
Kentucky,
don't know.
so we're down.
I don't see a state because
Oh,
I'm in Twitter.
Indiana
Indiana
schools
State,
baby.
yeah,
Oh,
India,
schools
Sir.
are
capital
baby.
Indianapolis.
Ah,
Wait, we are as a American map, who be
Oh,
who baby.
Indiana, Mate.
Who be who
and I
baby.
mean, I didn't know I 50 states.
51.
51. Ah, you.
Yes.
And then I'm time here. Mube, send your higher than Mube, New York.
No, mama be New York.
New
Oh,
York.
there be
But
Indiana,
oh,
Indiana.
Ohio.
Shouldn't
Me,
be
oh,
you
I'm
people
Massachusetts.
now one time
Okay,
be.
Massachusetts.
Eh,
Okay.
Me,
me cruise
Boston.
bi kura gu ho.
Yes.
Mass.
Ana na naje say or in Chicago.
Me, share or Babia or
Chicago
Bay
do
or
Indiana.
a piece or Massachusetts.
Oh,
Nehemia.
And
Massachusetts.
couple
Madam
baby
for
or
be or
Massachusetts
Boston.
I heading.
Madam for be.
Then I have down for.
My father for
So
be
Me
or
ba
yeah.
you.
ha ana
Hey.
manfo bubo mu kuro no. Ebi boy.
And
Adam say me
akra
e bros for na do so.
and akra so no
New
atoya ha
Jersey for
ba
so go
and
hano.
for light.
Ona
He
vagina
gonna
for
snow
no to
tower.
dos.
Indiana
New
ha
Jersey for
Hey.
Indianapolis no
papa.
atoha ba
Hey.
and
Colorado cry
tokesi.
nyanya snow na manya snow.
Ya
Hey.
to
Ya feed the muddy first
And
money
you for when
mutu.
you be on Massachusetts, so this was expensive.
ochran Monday so
What is
so
all
mo say
mass?
beto.
Eh?
Ano
Any money mutu mo je mani.
Mass, I can move a friend. Tag me, you move for me.
Michigan.
I'm for baby on Massachusetts wa how.
Massachusetts
Sir,
Evelyn
Ana
bi na wa
no mo
hai.
dos pa.
Ashanti Queen, Evelyn. Hey, I'm for na mo di
Na
na
bi
ede.
Ashanti
Ede
Queen wo. A
eh
day in a life ne wo
obi anyi ne
Houston.
dia o comment section ho.
ochran ya me
Houston.
adoma beto 70% snow no. Awa.
your
Pennsylvania
crack,
70%.
Me wo
Pennsylvania they say
Pennsylvania use
true.
of
And that's why
Pennsylvania.
Paul, yeah, and that dear talk a
Maya
crab,
was
but what's now
Toronto.
70%.
I was in
Lafayette,
Lafayette,
last
Indianapolis
month.
last month.
or no,
Ah, me pa cho o si
Hey,
Asante
Oh,
Queen
I
ya wa
was
ha.
in
Asante Queen
Hey,
Lafayette.
so wo UK
Dabi
ana.
there
ya
be
wa
also
Asante Queen
a
bi mo so ha.
Massachusetts. Eh, na dia
Ah,
mu nye
Virginia,
hey, I'm for
Virginia,
you you.
Linda, I left her in the
me
show.
so wo
Linda
UK.
Dallas,
Brampton.
Brampton. Hey,
One of
Brampton,
Hey,
India
so
say me
photo.
cruise be go. Me pa hon next week. Hey, next
Pennsylvania,
2 weeks, sorry.
one of so
Udatu.
baba Netherlands.
Pennsylvania say no ane
Pennsylvania
Philadelphia.
they say ben
Na
here
na say
ben
me te say
New
Muslim do
Jersey.
so so the one can say mu.
Virginia.
So the car would drive on
Virginia,
the car.
the Pacifica.
America fogu how.
Oh,
Say
vagina
US
Pennsylvania,
for
I
a
for
saw
house.
her
ni,
the
vagina
Nancy.
for ni.
the all Massachusetts,
Atlanta.
mommy, who na
Massachusetts for nie
obi na
mienu.
fufu adi ba me pɛ bɛrima.
Omo ye mienu.
Ohio,
And now
hey,
no be actually any more
Ah,
fufu ni
hey,
Ohio,
Massachusetts, other
Columbus.
say a
ɔmo
Worcester,
Hey,
me
Connecticut.
me me me
Connecticut.
wife.
Boston.
Me baby, one of me baby
Hey,
wo. But me
Massachusetts,
more
how?
New Jersey.
Massachusetts,
Kato
Connecticut.
Bruni.
Catoboni,
Kato Bruni or
Worcester.
Massachusetts.
Nso
Ɔno
nyame
no
yɛ.
Worcester.
Worcester, hey,
Worcester no.
Worcester, Ghana for
Hey, ne
chrome.
wanya bebree
Ɛso
wo
nyame
ofa.
ɛso nyame ɔba na bɛrima.
Boston, so say Ghana for.
Oyoba, Massachusetts, ni no
Anso nyame.
Oyoba.
Ah,
Aha.
And so
Nyame.
nyame ye Worcester.
Munim
Massachusetts. Obi enkodi ya me fufu.
Wow, Madam
Oh, are you?
Also, were you?
Ona yire wo Ghana ntuni ko fufu na tetem bia. Wa wasema.
Eti da bi mama ncho
Oh,
sister.
yeah, now they
Se wo ko
don't
mama
got
ncho
an
sister. Se wo ko mo ko text mo ho. He fa vim na gi no boso. Na yire ne pa wo mra bruch o visa wo mra. Fa vim no bo visa wo mra
E
ne
de
ya.
wuhunu.
Mayor Oba or Visa Oba.
Sa
Ah ye
wote.
no ni tia
Oba.
bebe ti wa cho so
Me
wo
am
visa.
calling Tina me manema.
Answer your besram.
And calling this is
Me
Oh, him and
say
the
mo
me
ko.
ball.
me call 1 year no about 2 years.
Ko
Sane.
bo sere.
Obisa has a husband.
Name him and the ball, no, name
Ashanti
him and the
so.
ball, no.
Oh,
Ashanti,
horse
you have a
band.
O me mu
husband.
mommy da bi calling this is
And
me ba
Kwala
so
then
mu
is
ni.
our own quanta one friend Kwala, and
Training
young
me.
woman.
I had training me peda bi omu training kwala wa omu say do.
I know one out training one.
No, wa na o
Ah,
train o me
me me
busu.
nya da interview. Na me ye adwuma chen obi a me ba me ni adamfo me ni nua me ni hwe nti me adwuma nko a
Aya
we me
sam.
apɔ adwuma o na me san afa mafa ka me de nam no.
Hey,
Okita
I
hu
Kwame.
don't care
sika ne
anybody.
nyina so na ofie.
Aya
A
relax.
single
I
a
have
single parent
strobo,
no
relax.
yako.
Yeah,
Yeah,
she
I'm
went
saying
for
I'm
holiday.
35. Most
And
some
Kwala
more
Nini,
sir.
any in China
Yeah,
about
about
Me
35
what
and
No,
I'm
me
Mika
35.
Charles,
I'm
I
say
said
two
gita
years
me
marriage.
take
ni
gita
New York
ready na
morning na
yi
you more
next 2
the
months.
same time.
I had 11:35. I
Na
have
yes yes
relaxed.
About
sir.
At
9:35.
least we are Juma 5 days. Can I
the
relax it
captain,
2 days, sir?
Ah, in
Oh,
Temhunu, who was
okay.
state by?
Jersey.
Me
the
Oh,
captain,
me
okay.
who
da me
can
traffic am
do?
ya le o.
The captain,
I know
that's
na
what
ya
we
na
see
ya
about one
Ghana. Your
thing at
problem
work,
it's na
man.
fear be
So,
yare be
Hwɛ
it
yare.
won't say expenses in the back
ɔyɛma
higher
Mas
than
cano
say
I
one
was
kwa
on
what no.
top.
O
But
Tenefia Obe Yare.
I was say we
Hey,
fear
Hey,
when it now
I
woman
was
when
on
you bow
top.
fear now
me
raising
traffic am ya le o.
Palano.
Enye bibia na yeska ofa.
We raising Palano activities bibia no making sure
Ɔyɛma me
say
traffic
who
am ya le.
100%
Me say
time.
me de ahye me ho amanaka o.
Aye, but in Kwalani Banks now we engage you say with the activities now. Ube who say
Unyare is the
dollars
That's
who
Serwaa
mentality, and
New
I
York.
also
Eh,
Tenefia
your
Obe.
mindset na yes out na fear.
Me
Won
pa
ya
to
ebe
on
yo.
kwara no mo Accra na Kumasi.
Me ma no ɔmo kɔ school ɔboase.
Oh,
Ayɛ
okay.
kwa ho no ma me.
Ah,
Edi egusi enti.
Oh,
Ɔmo
okay.
but ɔmo kɔ school ɔboase. Me ma check that pay school. They pay they I mean ɔmo fees kɔ ɔmo gye in dollars. So
And they say
nkwalaa
a
ne
good
ɔmo
school.
like it. Yeah,
Yeah.
oh yeah, a good school. Akwara ba ko bia $8,200 a year.
ayi ana St Margaret.
Yeah. Hi, wow.
1,002 they
I
say
have
you
quite
cool.
home.
1,002 kwa they say you cool.
St Margaret
For
ana
Boise,
omo
Na
for
wo
Boise
school
DPS
is
bia.
tema,
okay.
DPS tema Messiah
But you're
scout.
talking
Me
about
papa
Tema, where
muti
your
ama me.
Boise.
Yeah,
We
yeah, yeah.
omo wo school bia St Margaret na private schools be mirefi.
In 1,002 enough from South Akraba.
Enough from. Yeah.
Almost all my three. Kabu Majai.
Oh, why are they?
Oh yeah, me person me more that standard na I have one the be more na pepe. And this
Yeah.
omunya do baby
Or
a omo ade
mobile,
tinye dware
mumbre.
yenja omo honko ne ade
Nice
na ha
simple.
na omo ba settle
Ono
down.
wanya omo honko. What the ntefie ma enhwe oma. Na ya be kasa abreche na ase omo.
But they say who do a
Dabi.
new. But
Me
I don't
pese
know
ni
bridging
je
for
o.
I don't know
Unim
Ghana for
say.
especially Ghana for
Unim say
Obi
ya.
Eko holidays are Oko Ghana.
Yeah.
Are they?
Unim say ya. Me de ya me si jime no me timi frame obi timi frame abusuani bi timi frame si yo me de wani da me so me fo ni ntum su cause me mbobra ma wo. Me nya imagine say me be bobra wo.
Awurade
Oh,
Nyankopɔn nsɛm
Yeah, me
ni.
this
o
how
frame me me
yeah,
busuani
share
frame ya.
pa.
Enti me say me nka the last obi frame you. Cause of me mo ade be chubo na me nam ha wo.
Me say
Enti sika na de be ma na me de chili no.
me bo voices
Hwe.
bi a kire mu sisi ya. Wa hwe
Me
ya make say
dear,
Me me
dear,
me
dear,
na
no
me
me
papa
sisters.
na
stress.
voice
Me
go for
stress
so
there.
pa.
There
Me
be
me
o.
sisters, me sisters. Omu nim say me yes me. They be a me to play mu ko
Unya sika
baby.
no adi.
Enti
Ah, offer.
me sisters say omu nim
Me
my dear person.
say.
We catch them say mo me
Yesi
pe
yesi
scholarship for
ebusua
America
panyin
mamu
yesi
na mu dia
ebusua
ba.
panyin ewu. E na beti wo no ma no mo say e kan say ebusua for tente me ma me nua mo ma bi frɛ mo kwayi na so mo kwayi na mo ma baaye. Da. Ebusua panyin me bi nim no wai. Oka. Ti ade no ya ba
I know
bia.
they yeah he obi wa onim
Mo
no kra
kwayi
no
ya
ma
me.
ba ba
Ni
Hawaii.
pesika kwa me de kwa chele that is
Yanom bi
December
da
o
busua ne
so.
da so.
Bi de bi o.
Eh
Obi
so
ani
omu the
mo.
pressure to mu so dodo. Hey.
Me
Yeah,
sister me
nyansa
ni mo bi
nkoto.
ofre me ka che me say Ebi ase you. Me nya ibusua ni da so ebi ni me mfi wo. Enye me
Abusua
de kwa kwa
koko.
chele no. Hye.
Mm.
Me
Ewi
say,
ase nipa kwa ba ya papa kwa no be yubo ni
untimi ye
aye.
adwuma na obi tifie na ono pese na hom tono na wo
Eh,
muta
me
na so.
dear, san kwasa sem de me menye.
Akwesa ya na wakwesi fie kakraka organa so bi nkwatrem. Na se toilet
No,
ye ma so afro. Sister toilet
no.
na ye
Ah
ma first kabla me so
ah
ya mente won
Eh,
ko
bu
toilet.
fu papa.
me
Okwasi
say,
adre moga.
oye
Ɛne
ma
ɛno
he.
na yɛkum.
Eda no me share lady bi o wisana na me ka kire ne say
Me de
me o
menye.
3 bedroom bi a
Hye.
me de ama maame e na me maame nko a
Eh.
on papa e na aka 2 bedroom na me de ama nurse fu bi be je ni say omo ekọ omo ye mo mensesa na omo de yi no omo flash ade no
Akona akosi.
na
Imagine, ni
akoto
asa
answer
afro
this
se
house so
scabra.
edan na omu si no pipe no omu de hihye dan ni inside
Yeah,
Yeah.
musa ya yini
enti
kitu ebi.
enti se
Manhole
bibi
no.
ni a e wo se wo che so dan ni me se kapa o ma bọ me no na ma tu omu
Omo
nyina
ye
8 months na mo spend
nkurasefo.
o ma
Ni
jimi
nkwase
e ma
fofo.
ya mo ye nest nyankopon anim de pad ye flash say
Hwɛ
yes you
nkɔfo
almost say I so
bebree
obi be kwa kofa de akoye enti we give
ɛn-
you sebi obi be
Na
fa de ayi bi
menye
a me
kasa
me
ntina
toilet mu
mjani
na
fi
de
mebusu ya foncha mabeta America. Enye me
nkɔfo
Germany no
bebree se
matena.
nkɔfo bebree
enti
a ɔmo wɔ
me na me va
akwantuom
ma ha bi
Se
mo
kasa
me
na
me
nkɔfo
me
me
bebree a
musika
ɔmo wɔ
mo
e ono nte
akwantuom
kasa no nye
baabi
adwuma
a
papa anya o
ɔmo
Germany.
bɛtena for the
Nse me
longest no they don't make sure they are comfortable Ghana wobɛkɔ akɔkɔdi just 1 week and
1 month,
2 weeks no
2
no
weeks
ma
no. No.
kukuru
I just want to
like na
feel
baabi a
comfortable
wobɛtena for like
everywhere.
30-35 years of
no
your
but
life
sister
no
wa anya so omu bu se I
Yes,
say
wo koko wa
Ghana for
mobra.
no
Yes,
Ghana
wo
for no
koi
Ɔmo
bu
wa
se
sɛ
omu
mobra.
right
ɛno
of
so kwan wa mmɔbra.
omu
Ah,
de
that
sa
is
ne ma
ɛna
no
wodi
hu ye
ɛna
se
ɛna mo
obi
ɛna
onim
wodi
yes
akyi
we the
ɛna de
chipo
bi a
ha
you be
obegina wo
stranded o
bi ese de ubewu.
wobɛ
That is
wo
say
de ɔbɛ
sa
bɛka na
wa
ɔbɛ
mobra
date
ne
bi
we ni de
hwɛ
me fa nya
Amobra
asem.
Ghana ho eto ho sen. Aya amobra.
Unsa ye
especially
generation
Ghana
no.
wote
Wo
hɔ sɛn
Kumase.
Unsa
Osi
ya
ho kran.
ye
Osi ho
generation ye
kurom. Ade
different
abrabɔ
mo
na
de
no.
ɛde wɔ
mo de
fa.
mo na
ɛyi
mo nko
Watua
me ntimi ko
mortgage
di
so
2 months
aburukyire. Upe
me
so
me ko
wura
dra
no.
me di 2 months ansa na maba
Unsa ofa ye generation ye different che ye ofa for no antes
kai
no. Ye generation ni de ehwe.
me de bi a meka sɛ meyɛ biribi wɔ Ghana mɛtɔ apartment in a very good neighborhood then I rent it
Yeah.
out for Airbnb to generate money nti
Yeah,
me
that's a
decide
good
sɛ mɛkɔ
idea.
akɔdi 2 weeks wɔ Ghana then I
You
stop
go and
me
stay
mu de
there
we
Airbnb.
again.
we Ghana ni a me advice o say si dan fa rent because kabo
Oh
I say
no,
ka ne beto da wa
Airbnb
ha
just a
No,
month. Nani panic call. No,
hwɛ
Airbnb is an
calculate this
investment,
is a simple
1 bedroom
calculation
apartment and a 2 bed in a very good
yeah,
neighborhood.
good
Make a good
uh-huh.
neighborhood.
neighborhood where you
Yeah.
make good
What
money.
the chrome has say?
Motoko.
What the chrome ha? Had dine etuya almost 1,000, 8,005. Now did
Mm.
all damn high or Ghana? Be a baby area and one or more high and dine a man to be a 200 Ghana. Say 200 Ghana no ever high dollar
And
ma
that
$12 as I
$12 to
say every day.
$15 no.
It's me them
Na
down
me,
and
like when you
hada.
are looking, but when you are looking for an investment property, the location
Oh,
is
but no
the most
location that
important.
yeah, you need to check up the location. I'll
Me,
be
me
your
say when I'm
problem.
looking for an investment property, if it's not in a very prime location where I can get experts or more mobile dirty December near there, why
Yeah,
would I
yeah.
waste my time? And I
Sometimes
can
I'll be your
me the buy a
Me say,
metal
any more
investment.
advance. Where am guess you they are making. Me jobia a 2 years. 2 years no, and why you 200
Now 200
Ghana
cities
cities.
a juma de ankamenda.
So when I'm doing 200 cities for 1 month. Now, you are whole 2 years no come me only the 4 years no krana into me rented down hammer.
Me
That's
papa
how
wo
bad
fie
say
o
me
mu
down.
hia fie bi amfiri me ho nti
I
no
saw
Oh,
the be make no no. So my me papa no mabo brano. Nti mabo
me
brano na
papa wo fie
me.
me papa wo America visa o ti mi besra ni me de
eh,
Mabo brano na
we
me si
are
se
so
mi te mi si amede
almost
mama.
few so no say, I want to mean almost. So,
na me brother so me brother oh no me brother professor o living the life very me de no
Me sa
boy
stress no. Bi
more
so
than
obi
3 years,
no.
maybe I'm mutu amana
me
in
sister
fear.
so no ni madie o wie tech ye pay scholarship America man wa onya full scholarship wa ye ne masters e we ozo
And
den
I want to share my second my father the view.
dada bi na
Pam
me
Na
na me yesi me
wa
me
mu zo
pebre
obi o zongo dada bi da. Zongo dada bi o din ti bobu che bi
me se
hwe.
na me pa se na me
Odo
pa
street
kwantuo no
resu. Dada bi so street resu bi da.
che me mani da ho se abo wo
The beach no pe o de asa age aka o.
because of we are say so you have to plan your life very well
You
and so
have to
was so be
plan
she
ahead.
Nana J, then I say any excuse. Go make me drive into my house so can my you
Ah,
are.
me Life no, me who say enyem prepare ho nye bibi.
Enyem prepare ho Ghana for na ye almost seeking validation from people.
Stress ya, won too stress on say yare na ka wana account.
And then go for say eh wo so ukoye come on.
Na account.
We the Ghana for be the stress too omo ho so dodo.
Stress there. Niko asa opema at least.
But Bruce, they were really cool because sometimes in any bear for this, and any bear for this. Me, I'm to say me drive a pa, but on this time cars no my
I say the
cars
Abrabona
now.
Express.
This time cars now my no, or my in such a way say a tralaya and no back and automatic steering in the other
Electric cars.
But one thing I've also me try
and
no El Rey need the
last 3 days get
El Rey need the captain. El Rey need the captain.
Week.
One thing I've studied about Aquentium they say Aquentium so what they if you fall under the category of people are more unskilled workers now the stress level no ne adwuma no bre.
Yeah.
What I say.
Yeah.
But so me say me the margin adwuma me a software engineer.
That's good.
And you know
what if you
and abroche talk me nya nkofo na make say abroche is stressful maybe.
Why is that?
Yeah.
Me after hospital no na my fam car.
And you know and say we me margin kwa na me dey adwuma me were a lot of PTO me working from home me call office and you know it's not be me encouraging nkofo say utu kwan na uti dibua kakra na say if you person upgrade ho kakra do be adwuma hospital kwa onye nurse kwa upgrade ho kakra na kwa administration side or something say moja kwa na obetwetwe say bibi na obetwetwe so it loosens the burden on your physical strength na do be adwuma no wow because a boy in the long term no
it's very true.
Because I remember who say go be more complaining about stress and then it's more tied to the kind of a juma I said your mobile no.
Yeah, at the point I'm going free Germany Amazon me.
I'm not with Germany.
Germany on my family now. My family now.
Me to Dutch.
But kasa no kwa kan am say Germany me nua mu nyina.
Germany America me no for be ko German ko ye masters omo dwane bai.
And I'm say obi a makwa school pa o Ghana bebre amasa me say madwuma afle me ko hono ma he won te kasa na obe
yeah. I had a very intelligent friend who had a master's.
And found one certificate.
No, near Jumampo. Hey, I was shocked.
They say, over translate two certificate, no. Kuye bibi me kaya me office bi ajantua for arbeit. Me found ko Berlin kuye me certificate ni bibi na me na say I dey stress no. Masa, me ni mo wiyo. Me dey. It's America kwa na me one am free Germany data na me.
Minim kofo be mo masters wo Europe mo ba America.
Yeah, me buy my masters wo ha my health administration in
yeah. So you have a lot of opportunities in the US.
Me ba be stress me ho be kwa ba no wachi me se me koya Amazon be ba no machi na fodi me china na me hu
madam be ya adwuma wa Amazon
with all this education Amazon no munya ma
exactly office. Germany is not like America.
Very bureaucratic.
Yes. Dutch. It is a Dutch. So to me, espresso one. Ejuma be na be found. And certificate and also translate and a translation ko be translate ko na boom abemu no. Me see a me see for agentua for arbeit. Almost say menya ana refi word. Me translate na menya there after me chance. Dey stress kure ni chale. And I mean, I'm taba America every day holidays. Na me yede. Me call am say me. I bring my family sawa.
Yeah. And the member na mo what in patrol say mo cry na ebia because of circumstances, you know. When you do ma mo dey margin, ebe ya mo manage there. At least you should empower them.
Europe so stress na mo.
So for me chacha mo nyina mo nyeso.
Yeah, jimo so.
Me chia back. Me
mini bawo. Richard Mas. It's the same.
Yeah, Europe and one thing about Europe I may pay Europe as compared to America Europe for do more time or so.
Yeah, hey, I'm there, yeah.
8
Richard
omo
Mas,
appointment 8
onipa na anu akasa
7:30 no
akyerɛ no
more, but
wate.
America must study. Your more
Aya.
appointment 8 ko be call for
Onipa
papa
no
na
anu
nipa no
akasa akyerɛ no.
8:30 na no be hell.
Wokɔ ne platform so a kɔhwɛ
Aha,
deɛ.
sa wedding na girl na kano.
Da bia
Aye.
what is respecting maame no.
Alright.
why I'm a man to him.
Mehun beko me.
Ni
Yeah,
nipa no.
Europe they are very organized, but scanner he kind of saying.
Abusafo.
But
Anu
it's very
akasa ne ho.
bureaucratic.
But
Hey,
Americans when you
it's
baby me call me dentist say so you later or major late fee $50.
So Europe they only omo time no
Oh,
here
Mami
nice
so
8
fine.
to 8.
mami
Dental
chipi
hospital.
imba. Mami chipi imba kwa.
Yeah.
Me pa cho dental hospital na okana.
Aye.
Yeah.
Me deɛ wɔ me fie akyiri ha ya metumi nante kora kɔ.
I mean, me 17 minutes away from my house. Now, last time, I me some appointment. And I'm all man, I'm sending me, and a papa, and I'm sorry, reminding me. To me, who I am, boy, I'm giving $50.
yeah.
Share me cry. As I so class, I did me copy. As I did copy,
Abẹ́yìfọ́
I
nyinaa
have
class prefect.
for
Hey, din
the.
kakaka bi ni.
Me say metumi nante kora kɔ.
Abusafo mami chipi na me nkase. Most of the times, you know, I na man for kase. Omo ye adwuma Amazon. I just stay back and I'm like, because of your Amazon, what does it mean?
Oh no, can warehouse ejuma
No can warehouse.
If your mom we are picking, storing.
Oh, and yet, me tell you, but
That's
most
what.
of the times, so okay, you so your Amazon on. Now they think say a warehouse now, yeah.
Oh no, sometimes
Oh no, Amadofo bi
And
yɛ cyber security analyst. Ɛwɔ Amadofo.
Ya na ha
and
bi.
you more platforms on make account.
I want no can in general, which
In general, Timmy, the reason why I am a month for real, okay, so more Amazon on. No more jeans say warehouse, they say, because a lot of people don't have no knowledge about Amazon. They think that
Yeah.
Amazon is about warehouse.
warehouse. No.
Yeah.
But well, any depending states now, a month for British citizen.
Yeah.
Because if you talk about Amazon, maybe I mean one, Amazon headquarters, you know, Hana Eden,
Ɛwɔ.
Amazon owner no, for me, be a meeting Amazon owner and Timu. What I say, into a popular.
Oh, America.
Yeah.
Be
Oh, okay.
okay, man, I'm quite sure. Oh, yes, sir.
Oh, but say yeah, what platform there will be a kika baby or so there
There be
also.
the identity see because the mammy ain't.
Oh,
Are we somebody security
Oh,
catch
FBI ada.
yeah, my cousin.
oh FBI.
There be nature.
And I say yeah, say yeah, they who see you because of
Na me dem so
the
much trust me mammy ain't time in from who need. Obi
Yo,
an.
yeah.
Oh, Amazon they are IT
But
for
and go for be free any say Amazon you product manager or honor
Yeah.
as Amazon.
Yeah.
What I say, yeah, obi so a software engineer or Amazon. What I say, obi so or accountant or Amazon. Obi a compliance
Yeah,
manager. Obi a compliance manager or Amazon. In Amazon no more na no is about software for more
Me previous employer, na me Uber. I worked with Uber and son of me like I left intimacy the kind of but also go for the brain no.
until also a software engineer.
Yeah, me a software engineer.
A computer language manager.
Me training now.
Because training.
Oh, you be baby our one can over be you.
Me can be a current state of
Menka, me so
language.
Me so menka.
Say no ano.
A language in America.
Me so be menka.
Okay, I can go no so can do me I do you.
Oh, baby, I'm the reason to be son is I know maybe what say
That be
any
now there
location.
we show be kasa.
I don't know your person cham
Say
be
which
menka.
is here for no I do me I do.
Oh, that you. Once I mean, case one say maybe what saying like the language you
Also
write.
so for security of on also into onka.
The computer language they say that it doesn't matter about security.
Aye, a proud onka. Now they see I will buy na kasa to US. US and 51 state as I say. Ah, we be there who baby awo.
Yeah, we say language. Okay. All right.
And I buy na to UK. I want him say UK no. I nothing.
Think twice. I don't think twice. I don't throw Java na. I wa ba be throw Java on. Me IT girl.
What is JavaScript? Python.
I think twice.
No,
Or throw languages no.
One of our Okodi Waha. What's the first no? first na Amazon Microsoft any Facebook one. Now they used to like I would say 4, 5, 6 years ago no. Now a lot of people no not Ghana for be no. Omo me show mo krom no mo degrees. I mean Trump say omo timi transform degree into American standard. No money. A lot of people don't know.
Yeah, people don't know.
Yes.
People don't know.
Can't you say who degree no Ghana ba o the Bible tira enye adwuma. Into what
Oh boy.
we see ya can't to mutrim. Oh yes, into it be sure much to there be. Na me ba ko ba bi ai ya ko transfer to American standard. Into say you are now also co school for be 1 quarter and a year and I say be 3 quarters so why they walk so but that time not Amazon any Facebook any Microsoft everything Google no more for a lot of boot camp guys boot camp guys it's that time no more form. Anna, before Indians for me a lot of contracts, They say India for no contract, And India for baby more boot camp, And they say India you go on foul. I say, Uboko boot camp never I would do resume but one of pick up right. On foul. Once you didn't Jandit, Pandit, so it's that before that boys, my boys say for more coding, me check Ghana for boys in the coding school for 6 months and that, Omunyana me link internship here. Me bring a good pay. Hata na by Microsoft your flower normal sign on pay $20,000.
Wow.
Yeah, sign on. Almost sign on pay $20,000 and sana already. Why should you say why should you say the guys young guys be in your contract. But one job Africans, for instance, you just have opportunities here. You hold
most of your home for the empires.
Yes, say no. You see, they say a trauma India from you contract in free and some
India, you know, well and killing me.
If a customer says, be Indian in Ekasa.
This time India for
yeah, Indian in Ekasa. But there's this one Nigerian guy on. Where you more Boeing on. Bomb planes, on a giant guy. Madam for many weekends. We're top notch engineer boy, to say like, he's up there. Now, when the boys need their god, I'm catching away fucking guy outside them say, dear, position, what happened, position. But boys, they are going more engineers. I said, don't put them on. On put you on, but India for frame. They be officer or Mushiani face or no in a bunny. I assume see there. One we boy, not to say, oh, so here. No, you so all the resume man go through my crampona. No, who's a resume, degrees was crampona. It's a boy, sometimes you have to apply for like 100, 200, 300, 300 and 300. So him say, more so na Mexico.
Maybe I was sweet you.
Yeah.
Number me chipping in with what you are saying now. I think that one thing I've realized about our community is that before ni papa for no mudi can buy no. Most of them looked at careers that are very stable. And most of them no nebano or you had a crowd would acquire nursing. And acquire doctor. It will be okay, but no share and pen nursing. No.
Nursing, Ghana for number one career nursing.
Or be acquire nursing. If you're not pen nursing, but because of it has job stability near their dating. Now so people were not ready to take risk. At the time, I studied computer science or University of Ghana. At the time, I studied University of Computer Science or University of Ghana. I remember in my class, we were just about 2 or 3 girls at the time. And me decided to make my master's. And I remember me by America. My master's to me in data.
Analytics.
Yeah, 80. Even at that time in school, I saw a lot of Indians, and I make kind of TV questions. Now then, India phone, a baby phone, a So even in the working environment, I realized that no, there's something wrong. And then I got to know that Ghanaian parents, most of them are more encouraged or mobile to go into the health spaces. Yeah, unfortunately. So if and one thing, even in the corporate world, I also realized that the Indians are risk takers.
Yes.
They have good economies back home. In as much as India is still not high up there, there are a lot of wealthy and successful people back home who have the money to invest in a lot of American companies. So if
and
you have money to
guarantee on loans,
and if you're able to buy shares in a company, invest in
Ghana for those
they don't have the and America is a capitalist country. Yeah, so people are buying shares, people are investing.
Ghana no kusifio Ghana on fans to shares
what I say. And when it comes to the tech industry, you need to upskill. Upskilling is very, very important. And let's say or China say, and different things are coming up in if you are not ready to upskill and be proactive or overcatch.
Unfortunately. Washington I say minimum Ghana for guys too long.
But now some Ghanaians, I know few Ghanaians are there in the tech space who are doing really well.
Me say 2 guys who are Washington home. Who share obi more Microsoft dear na bob boys in there. Almost say I am say wow. That guy is doing everything. Guys now them more shit.
Yeah.
You see, your mom we project be no mun timinya na obu fe badi na badi show up nko am badi show up e be project we ampa badi show up obwa.
Yeah,
But I mean, say already there send a space in the corner. Or may I encourage you guys and say they should go into electrical engineering more.
Yeah, electrical engineering. Yeah, my sister
electrical engineering more because she say software engineering crash you AI is taking over. You know that, right?
Yeah, it's not plenty. You have to. One thing I've realized there.
The AI is taking over.
And the cyber security, IT.
One thing I've realized about the tech industry is that you need to have skill. Me senior a lot of layoffs about me.
I never come in tech industry. Layoffs too much.
And it's a tech industry, I am very competitive. And you come in with just a boot camp and maybe a bachelor's degree won't save you. You need to build network. Life is not just about papers, no degrees now, what sister, no. You need to build your network. What I say? And referrals are gonna help you. And if you're just relying on degrees that were acquired, I'm sorry. Ube apply 200 jobs, so be unfro.
Say my mentor debut. Say tech industry say no. Project will be first and especially coding. She say AI and coding.
Yeah.
She say AI and coding
too. It's all AI. It's all AI. It's all machine learning. Me when I realized AI was taking over 4 years ago, I took a course in AI and machine learning.
What do AI na first and the project mama now be code there. Now also do 1 month a finish project na. AI can take like a few days to finish that project. What I say?
Yeah.
She say no. It's tech industry. AI and coding.
Yeah.
A lot of layoffs me also. Product managers be lay off because why
product management be go.
Because why if I say we 10 years 20 years it's in or just 6 figures plus why I say rookie guy on we invest for front and these new young guys no young guys and cause of them obunya hwe obi code much say Wouldn't you into your check
Me over my workplace omo me me now for over my workplace omo me now for ye omo o me no mo boom pa beside omo new recruits no omo adwen aboa enam
so into when you are making like 200,000 a year. No, if I say, you're making 200,000 a year, 250,000 a year. Then you guy no money 80,000 a year. You be lay off for the am day.
Nene 80,000 you the mom come ndio hwe and no manum bia bi and na omo tutu change for no they don't
new rookies no already first year the
they job hop a lot. They job hop. Omo fan with some new be adwuma system no me apply adwuma for.
I have advice to young guys as a software engineer no there. I will advise them say they should always go for the smaller companies. The bigger companies in India lay off no.
Yeah, you need to start with the smaller companies.
Very good. What I say? Just security because like me say me no. Me bien what only knowledge about computer science. Obia. What I say?
It's still good, but you just have to play your cards well.
Software company. You don't want to do it.
Or feel that the health well.
Yeah,
health is very good.
But I mean, MBA health administration.
To be managed hospital. Good.
Yeah.
One thing about software engineers is a boring job.
And it's very stable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A boring job, papa. Software, a boring.
A very boring job.
And very stressful.
Stressful.
Oh, very.
Ebia who could tone because of the money.
Very stressful.
And you know, a lot of people chose one thing. I feel that a lot of people also choose these careers, especially tech careers. People went in there because of money, not because of the passion we had.
Because of the money.
First, no. Back in the 2000, a passion. But you say because of money to be a jumon.
Yeah. But me, I didn't go in because of the money.
Because you say no, obi talk a jumon, not a teacher ni or passion for teaching. But paying so no ma.
And then we have to baby a corner passion now the baby a
passion the passion you maybe more.
Yeah, the passion they are growth is safe share. I mean for the money also passion for them.
Yeah.
What I say? Omo me passion omo me nets no. Omo no hair passion or a net you the one or a neddy.
I'm a mess room send
me I say madam for be we are discussing on building a dating app because me who say dating app
nerd. Like
nerd.
Yeah.
Or more air cancer. I don't have like.
My being the Biomusia,
the woman on self-taught phone.
Yeah.
Oh no.
And I also feel that people should also be building things. Like recently, I was discussing with a friend. Say, why can't we build a dating app for the African community? Why can't we can build something?
No, what told you they don't? They
do have.
I check a guy or trader, a friend with Azure.
When you're a tech guy, no called tech.
Yes, and one of my guys, me junior, me code yes, also or Google. You feel Joe. On so big ones like I know a lot of tech guys, and one of the guys they have it. They have a lot of.
No. I think tech. When you get to a certain point, you just want to invest your money. And then if you don't want to go into the business aspect of it, you just want to invest your money in shares and see how the shares does for you. Oh.
Even guy no Tata send no. Oh no. So they no neighbor Ghana.
Oh, okay.
My neighbor no like I would say my childhood godfather no like I look up to him say like Undima dey to on Tata send on any there. That guy.
Tech, I feel that COVID by
everybody went to
get
tech.
Get ready with me as I work from home and I'm saying, hey,
COVID by the boys need the first canoe.
COVID by
Virginia boys be the first fucking.
So say
cyber security or no yet 2 jobs. I'm account and go be brother minimum social media and I get ready with me that we na lay off stitch when I'm snail so. We hear Juma number platform and get ready with me. May take layoffs, baby, take layoffs behind with that.
The reason why layoff in some interest could be the Indians are buying out the contracts.
Yeah. The Indians don't
say if for American, they say man 150,000 a year. Indian to contract for America for no or the man in for India
India no much less
20,000 a year.
Ain't na share Richie.
So they buy out the contracts.
Richie, ain't in a way no. Trump, some of the policies no it's favoring the IT industry.
Are good?
Trump policy is not the bad. I mean, come with people
drink but we drink go as American. It's good. What Ghana wait for Mali say Fulani for SSC can so see empower mu flow me wa.
H1B for H1B for and go for one make on bit me adwuma pa. Atoma ma H1B for.
Na H1B so no come buy.
I'm say anya Democrat for. Bill Gates. Because even health sector no chale maybe Trump some of na there maybe me fari so nya me say
ebasana na omutwem ebasana we American we high school company what we no code adwuma here with good pay.
Exactly. It got to a point that these big corporations, they became selfish.
It says young chaps, so many opportunities in the including any opportunities.
And Canada crowd, Canada, and then India crew.
In fact, Vancouver, and so kind
Toronto, then I say for Canada.
Toronto, the Canada, Mr. Vancouver, Vancouver.
Yeah, that Montreal, and India for
Canada, and Quebec, me mama.
Odu Vancouver radio station Vancouver Indian music.
Yes, I say they Canada.
Police
KFC crank say high school for near that they own India for
police for Canada Vancouver India for police for India for.
O ma say o mukron how?
Yeah, you from Ghana for the more na in fiscal.
Ghana for Star America how but omo fam nyuma.
Omo fam nyuma.
Eno omo fam ni so no.
Anya me wan say India for ya moka o mo asenda be ene o mo na ama ohoko aye dindindin anya me wan.
Omo ka ho.
Na unim say aya say Africa for ye fake we India for ye fake.
India dey your word. India. Omo wo university wo India ma sheda.